Alright guys, today is October 6th, 2025, and today we're gonna go over my trades. I did risk heavier on this because I thought, hey, um, they were pretty good setups. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. So we are at all-time highs, so meaning bullish, right? We're disrespecting bullish or bearish. We are respecting bullish, right here. We have a fair value gap there. So yeah, going on the day, I am very bullish. I marked down our recent highs. Obviously we're at all-time highs. We have no session highs, but we do have our session lows, which is over here. We have London. Asia's been swept already, and then that's way too low for us to mark down, so we don't have to, right? On the hourly, we have this bullish fair value gap, boom, and then 4 hour we have one at that too, but we're gonna scale down to the 1 hour, which is this. We can also scale lower. We have a 30-minute here, and then this is the 30-minute as well, so we can just, as we go lower, we can just adjust, right? This is about pretty good. And so yeah, coming on the day, we are bullish. Now what do we want price to do? For us to be even more bullish, I want us to take these lows, respect this fair value gap, continue higher, or we can go all the way down here and then go higher. And then the third option is to go up, get a retrace, and then enter to go higher. So we have option 1, something like this, right? Option 2, something like this, continue higher. Or option 3, where we continue higher, we have a fair value gap we can enter off, and then higher, right? We have 3 options, okay, but overall we are bullish. So let's just get into it. Market opened right there. Let's take this out, and then we're at the 30-minute or 15-minute fair value gap right here. So what did I want? I wanted us to respect it, which we didn't. So let's take that out already, right? So boom, let's filter it out. We have this other 30-minute slash 15. So boom, we tap that, just a tap, like a light tap. And so I'm looking for a inverse to go to switch order flow to go bullish again. And so on that swing, we have no other fair value gaps other than the 1 minute right here. So we're looking to inverse this, right? And so boom, we are looking for a candle closure above the fair value gap. So here we didn't get it, here we did, and so I entered on the next candle, this coming candle, which is there. And so I risked pretty heavy here because, hey, we're respecting this 15 slash 30. I'm gonna go break even over here on this, should be here, but I like this high more, so that's my break even. Our full take profits over here at open, yeah, at open. So boom, that's a 1-to-1. I think it's like 1k win, 1k lose, so, or like 1100, something like that. But yeah, so here we had drawdown, almost getting close to the stops, but I trusted our model and I just kept it there. Here we had a fair value gap that I wanted to inverse, which we eventually did right here, and then literally right after a Drake candle closure below. And so it's like what price does recently, we move so much and then after we just accumulate, or accumulate again. We just chop around, and so boom, there's another 2-minute inverse. 2-minute inverse here. So I'm like, yeah, we're definitely gonna still be bullish. Like overall we're chopping bullish, right? So boom, I was in some green, and after that it just continued lower, and then we get stopped right there. And so boom, what did I see now? So let's get rid of this trade. We lost about 1100 here because I am risking higher just to pass the funded and then calm down on when we are funded. And so boom, we lost that trade. We're literally down what, 1100. And so yeah, but I could have ended there, but I know we were just bullish, like the draw was higher. And so what did I see? The SMT. Here, SMT. I believe this SMT I saw. Wait, what? 810. 810, yeah. So right here. What I did notice is when NQ finally is trying to go up, ES just declined and wanted to sweep these London lows, I believe. Yeah, London lows. For NQ we didn't do that, but that's even more bullish confluence. A high time frame bullish SMT. Usually I don't really like SMTs, but if we have it, hey, perfect. That's what we like. And so boom. So we had the SMT. We're still on the 15/30-minute fair value gap, and we took liquidity here, right? The lows, where I got stopped at. So we were liquidity basically. But yeah, we took liquidity out. And so what did I see? What did I want to see? We wanted an inverse on the highest time frame gap of this swing, which was the 1 minute. Right there, we inversed it. And so boom. Right here we fully inversed it. Like I wasn't really comfortable with that, but here we fully inversed it, and then I just entered, and then instantly we were at green. So it's like, okay, this is the trade I wanted to take. Okay, and so I believe this is my break even now. It should have been here, but regardless, I was still targeting those highs. Okay, and I believe my stuff, I'm just gonna double check. 25188. 25188. Here. Oh, I was trailing. Something like that. So initially our targets are this. I'll just mark out the red. Our higher time frame target is that. Could have been higher to these, but I think I would be at my 50%. What is that called? Our 50% mark. Yeah, 50% profit target. So which is 1500. Anyways, but yeah, our stops are at the swing low, and then we're just targeting higher. And then we're just gonna play price here. It's like green, green, green. I don't know what this is. We were pretty up. Oops. Sorry. Okay. And then we move to break even here. We took profits here. Oh yeah, so I was extending my TP, so we were here, so my target's here next. Since this is my break-even point, and like I'm targeting higher now, I'm just trailing my stops, profit stops, to here now. So I believe we went down before we fully hit that. Yeah, so we went all the way down here, which I should have just taken that, but you know, I'm still pretty happy with what happened today. I'm just gonna skip it to the 5 because this is probably annoying you guys. Yeah, see, we still would have hit that twice before moving higher. And so yeah, we fully hit TP after that. I think we might have, yeah, all the way up to all-time highs again. And so yeah, that's my 2 trades today. Now, did we learn anything today? Yes. So for me to take this one, or our first long, I should have waited until ES swept London lows, because then if we were like what we did earlier, we bought way too early and we got stopped when we knew there's still liquidity at London lows for ES that it probably wanted to take. And so that was our mistake of longing around here when ES wanted to sweep London lows. Oh, we even filled this weekly gap. I didn't even see that actually. Yeah. And then we continued higher, which was our second trade. But yeah, I just need to be more patient. Way more patient if I want to risk way higher. Which I think I'm gonna like, because once we pass, I feel like we're gonna go drop to 5 minis, and then that's it forever, hopefully, until we reach our, what's this called, our like $2,000 mark. I did watch a video of someone scaling, and they're just risking 1/4 of their capital every trade, which was insane, which kind of gave me the idea to do this. But they also keep doing that after they get funded, which is way more riskier, and I don't think I'm that comfortable with my model yet. Maybe in the future I would do that, but for now we are still trying to get a payout, and that is our goal, to get that payout. Right here you could have easily re-entered, but you know, I was done for the day. We are up $71.05 on the account, which is I'm happy with, because yeah, so we lost 1,043 and then we won 1,100. I'm happy about that. I think this is a 50%. I need to know my statistics as well. But yeah, we are up $71 and $5 in the account. I will continue to risk more. Let's see what we have for tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay, not that, no red folders, but we're probably gonna trade. We're more likely gonna trade tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully you guys had a good trading day, even though it was mad choppy. Like this was barcoding. Like look at that, barcodes. But yeah, I hope you guys had a good trading day. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we hit a banger trade. Try to pass this eval real quick, and then back to being funded again. So yeah, I hope you guys had a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.